Hey guys, it's David.
And hey guys, it's Harmony, and we are here to talk to you about one of the products in your September Play by Sephora box. This is the NUDESTIX Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil. And I am such a fan of this really beautiful color. It's the color Kiss.
So good.
It was actually chosen by everybody in our Beauty Insider community.
Which we love.
Yes. But I'm a big fan of a multitasker. I love something that I can throw in my bag, and it's almost like a one and done. So one of the first ways that I utilize this is if I just want like a light wash of color, kind of popsicle lips, I'll apply straight to my finger. And then just kind of...
A stain.
Yeah, just kind of like dab on until I get the desired intensity that I want.
Yep.
So then if I want to build the intensity, then literally it would just be just applying it straight out of the stick.
Yes. Beautiful, beautiful color. Gorge.
And then any type of like excess or stuff that I want to rub off, I literally just dab it off and then just dab onto my cheeks. A little bit. Just add a little bit of color.
Soft
wash
bit.
of color.
Yes.
Just a little bit of a wash of color.
Okay.
And that's my like easy go-to on the go. But I would love a pro tip from you as how to kind of get more out of them.
You did that really good, by the way.
Thank you.
And it looks gorgeous on you.
Thank you.
So it looks like a lip pencil, so it's really easy to kind of like variate your lip usage with it. But when it comes to the cheeks, it's like, let's just be safe. And
I'm a little scared. I'm a little scared.
But here's the thing. This was literally created with the concept of using it in multiple ways. So it is highly blendable, and it is really easy to apply it right to your cheeks. Do not be scared, guys. I always say the best thing to do with something like this is to figure out which area you want the application to be the strongest, and you can literally go right from here, guys. You can do little stripes, you can do circles, you can do tic-tac-toe, whatever you want to do. It's going to blend out. Now, this doesn't set like an eyeliner or anything like that, so it's not like you have to worry about this all of a sudden freeze drying into place. It's really easy. As you can see, just the heat of my finger really gives a nice, strong intensity exactly where I want it. So that's one of the beautiful aspects of this, is there's a lot of control in your placement. So if you struggle with blush placement, this is gonna work really nice for you. Most of the time, all you need to do is just a little bit of a tapping motion, especially with this formula. I think this looks so good on you. It's easy, it's very natural looking, and it's very monochromatic, which is the trend right now. So hopefully this helped you guys out. Maybe it gave you a little bit more confidence in applying this right to your cheeks, which is exactly what we want. And you guys can fall in love with this as much as we have. So until next time, guys, take care and have fun. Bye.
Bye.